Are you looking for a real way to make money online in 2025 without needing a fancy degree or tons of experience? What if I told you companies will actually pay you just to test their websites and AI tools? Yes, you can earn real income by simply sharing your opinion and experience as a user. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to start user testing, which websites to join, and how much you can realistically earn. Let's get into it. Testing is when companies ask real people to try out their websites, apps, or AI tools and give feedback. They want to know how easy their product is to use, where people get stuck, and what could be improved. As a tester, your job is to record your screen and voice while using the product and explain what you're thinking. You don't need to be a tech expert. In fact, most companies want normal users because they want real reactions. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or working professional, you can do this in your spare time. Now let's talk about where to find these jobs. The most popular site is User Testing. It's been around for years and pays testers around $10 for a 20-minute test. You'll need to apply and complete a sample test first. Next is Beta Testing. This platform focuses more on mobile apps, early AI tools, and sometimes even hardware. Pay can vary between $5 to $20 per test. Plates Cloud is great for gamers. You test new mobile or web-based games and give feedback as you play. Perfect for casual gamers or those who want to turn their hobby into income. Userlytics and TryMyUI are two more legit platforms, where you can get paid to test both websites and AI-powered tools. Just sign up, complete your profile, and wait for test invites based on your device and demographic. Follow a simple format. You'll receive a task like, sign up for this AI tool and find the pricing page, or use this chatbot and describe any confusing parts. As you complete the task, you'll speak your thoughts out loud and give honest feedback. Sometimes they'll ask you to write a short review after the video. Other times, you'll just need to complete a survey. Some advanced tests may involve testing AI features like voice assistants or image generators. You can do these tasks on your phone or computer. Make sure you have a quiet space and a working microphone. Clear audio is very important. Asterisk, let's be realistic about earnings. Most platforms pay around $10 per test. If you do 2 or 3 tests a day, that's $20 to $30 daily. That adds up to $600 to $900 a month if you're consistent. Some advanced or high-demand tests can pay up to $50. These usually require more effort or testing over several days. It's not full-time income, but it's a great side hustle, especially for students, freelancers, and remote workers. Asterisk, here are a few tips to increase your chances of getting selected. First, complete your profile fully and honestly. Include all your devices, age, range, job title, and interests. This helps platforms match you with relevant tests. Second, check your email often. Test slots fill up fast, sometimes in minutes. Some platforms also have mobile apps that send push notifications when a new test is available. Third, speak clearly and stay confident during the test. Companies want useful insights. Don't just describe what you're